Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today, well, you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be trying the Elf Skin Hit Kit. So I wanted to try just a little skincare kit because, you know, for me, I only do like moisturizer. So I don't really have like a face oil or like any hydration things or toners and things like that. So I wanted to try a little skincare kit, but by one of my favorite makeup brands, Elf. So this is the Skin Hit Kit. It's hemp-derived cannabis sativa, so it has that infused in it and also gives your skin a lot of hydration. So let's see how this product does. I'm going to try the whole skin care kit for you guys and kind of leave a little review. So if you're interested in this product, I'll leave everything down below, but I'll talk about the prices and the use for each product here. So let's go ahead and some videos. Let's get started. So from actually watching some videos of other people trying it, it wasn't a lot, honestly. I think this just came out, so there's a lot of people trying it. But go ahead and open it. Let me tell you guys what's inside. So alright, so the first product here is the Puff Primer. And that's cute, you know, because you're talking about Puff, and you know. So whoever came out with this name was smart, because that's when you know you were true. No, I'm just kidding, I don't even smoke. No. So this is a Puff Primer, hemp-derived cannabis sativa. So it says to apply a small amount to clean skin and blend out makeup. So let's see. Oh, this is like a little applicator thing or whatever. It's like a little, and you can see kind of coming out. Alright, so that's the first one, and then we have the Calm Balm. Okay, so this is just a little balm here, just a regular like traditional balm. And then we have your Happy Hydration Cream. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. It's cute. It don't really smell nothing really. I mean, it's just like that lotion smell. Like it's just like lotion. So that's literally all that I smell there. And then we have your All the Feels facial oil. I'm excited for the oil. This is probably like the only thing I'm actually excited for, because it's like facial oil. So this is it. You just spin a little thing, and it just comes out. So just to get everything started, I'm just going to wipe off my face and put on a little exfoliator on my lips, because I ain't trying to have no dry lips. Okay. This is also Elf. This is the coconut one. And nobody want no dry lips, so this is basically my face before I add any of the hydration kit on here. So this is me fresh, no nothing on my face. I don't even have moisturizer because I wanted to just use this. So let's do that. Alright, so what I've seen from other videos is, I'm gonna already put the balm on, but the order that I've seen, oh wow, this is actually a really soft, a really soft balm. Wow. Okay, honestly, my lips feel like the tiniest little tingle, but it feels but ooh, you can see the hydration on my lips already. because I have gloss on, but I don't. Alright, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice. Okay, so what I've seen in videos is they went ahead and put the hydration cream, then the oil, and then the primer. So they would usually use this for before you put on foundation or anything, but I don't really wear foundation or anything like that, so I'm just going to do this just because I want my skin to be hydrated. So let's go ahead and go in with the Happy Hydration Cream. They're just saying to gently massage a small amount of cream onto skin, clean skin alone before makeup or morning and night. So, and again, it smells like a little bit of lotion or whatever. So I'm just going to, my hands are clean, I just washed them, so I'm just gonna use my hands. So I'm just gonna kind of like dab this everywhere. You probably don't need a lot, honestly, but I want hydration for real, so let's go ahead and throw it on. I'm just gonna use my hand. Wow. So you can kind of smell a little bit of the hemp and stuff. So, I mean, it's not a bad smell. I won't be bothered by it really. I don't care, but it smells good though. I'm also gonna put a little bit on my neck because why not? You know, you don't want wrinkles. Why who wants wrinkles? So okay. Now honestly, after the first step, I already see a little bit of hydration. You know, looking nice and good. Everything looks moisturized. So 10 out of 10. Nah, I would definitely recommend it. I mean, like, we'll see how my face is, because my face is kind of sensitive, so depending on what the product is, or if it has a lot of like those chemicals, like those really harsh chemicals in them, my face will just not do it. Alright, and now this is the face oil. It says just apply a few drops onto your skin and gently pat, mix into your foundation, whatever. I'm not gonna do all that, so I'm just gonna do it on my skin. This is so cute. Like, I've never had a product that's like, okay, well, like I've had like oil, but that's like for hair oil. And I just want y'all to see. Hold on. I just want y'all to see this beautiful oil. I'll put like 5,000 drops on here, honestly. Oh, I should have been cute like those Instagram girls and like. I did put a little bit too much, but you can never be too hydrated. Never. I'm pretty sure I did a lot. But hey, like, being hydrated is the best. So no one wants to be dry out here, so I'm just gonna get one of my books and give it a little air. Doesn't my skin look really, see, y'all can barely see that it looks like a lot, like on the camera it looks like I'm well seasoned, but when I look in the mirror, like, I look like I just took a whole shower in oil. I'm doing the primer now. So, oh, my battery's literally about to die, so I'm just gonna do my primer. But yeah, literally feels like a lotion, looks like lotion, and the primer smells like a lotion. But yeah, honestly, I feel so hydrated. I feel like a baby. Wow, like my face literally feels so different. Like I've never felt this hydrated before. Like never. And it feels so amazing. You know what? I'm gonna try this for a couple days. I'm gonna do this like every day, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. But I'm gonna do it on Instagram. I'm not gonna come back to like YouTube. I'm gonna do it on Instagram, let you guys know how well this product has done for like a week, and see if my skin really changed. So yeah, but honestly, so far I like it a lot. Like the good thing is that my face, well, it's not a good thing, but my face is very sensitive, so I'm not able to try a lot of like products, whether it's like toners or any type of oils. So the thing is that this is like hemp, so can you really go wrong with hemp? No. So why not? So I just tried it, so I'm gonna see how it does. And honestly, I love this lip balm. I would literally use this on like a daily basis. Like it's so good that I don't even need gloss anymore because it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's primer perfect. So yeah, I don't even know why I don't even want this video to end, but I'm still drying in the dryer. But honestly, I love all these products, and I honestly think that I'm literally going to really try this for a week and see how my skin changes, and I'm going to let you guys know how it changes. So let's see. But honestly, if you want to try this out, I'm going to leave the link and everything for it down below. So oh, let me just say, guys, so the kit is only $15. It is like a travel size type of kit, but honestly, you're probably not going to use that much of the product every time you use it. Honestly, with this, like how I did it was like perfect, and this you only need maybe like a few drops. I hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to try all these products, I will leave them down below in the description box. It's only $15. It's a great kit. If you love Elf, I would definitely try this. So yeah, thanks for watching this channel. I hope you guys I hope to see you guys in my next one. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I really just wanted to end that off because my phone, my camera's literally showing red, like the battery's about to die. But oh my gosh, my skin feels so good. Like I tried, like the moisturizer I use is Clinique. Let me tell you, that's amazing. But my skin feels so puffy and hydrated, and my skin has never felt like this. And if my skin can feel like this all the time, you wouldn't be able to tell me itch. You wouldn't be able to tell me itch. Like this, maybe I'm exaggerating, I don't know. I just never had this much hydration in my skin, but it feels so good. And I'm gonna take some pictures for you guys because this is amazing. This is amazing. Bye guys. Okay, so I just wanted to update you guys because as you can see, my face, well, it's not as glowing anymore, but it's still glowing. It's still very soft and vibrant and just so I would definitely recommend this product if you would want to try it. It's not a product, not just a product, it's a whole kit, so I would definitely try this kit. I'm gonna definitely try this. It's like 9, almost 10 something right now p.m. So I've had it on for about 10 hours, so I'm still glowy and everything. I'm gonna be trying this for a whole week, so stay tuned if you want to know a little bit more about like how it is over the time. I'm pretty sure it's still gonna be amazing. But yeah, so this is just day 1. This is 10 hours later, and my face still looks and feels literally amazing. Like, it's an amazing product. They're all amazing products. The kit is amazing, so if you want to try it, go ahead and see. You should definitely order it. It's only $15. It's nice Elf kit. So yeah, so I'm gonna get up out of here, but thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.